morning, friends, and welcome back to the channel and beautiful Slovenia. Today we are taking a mini road trip through the Vrsic Pass, which is in the Julian Alps, and it has 50 hairpin turns, and we're going to stop along the way to catch the views.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome just driving around right now. It's all small towns. You got those big Alps right behind us, beautiful lakes. So yeah, we're just excited to see what we can find today.
Yeah.
Company.
Oh. We've got the Aussies with us.
Don't forget the Aussies.
Tip: if you're coming to Jasna Lake, get here as early as possible. I think we got here a little bit before 9, and by 10 a.m. there were at least 50 more people than when we got here. Still doesn't feel super busy, but if you want to get pictures and walk around, have it be quiet.
It does have a little resort area, so people come and swim. So
yeah, it's beautiful. Are you ready to hit the pass?
Let's go.
So we've just stopped here at the marker number 17, and what you can see behind us is Vrsic Mountain. And somewhere up here there's a hole that they, like in the mountain, that they call the Giant Eye. That's very cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Also, the road that we're driving up, the Vrsic Pass, was built, actually completed in 1917. They used like 17,000 Russian prisoners to complete this road. Isn't that crazy?
It is. Forced labor.
Yeah, anyways, onwards and upwards. Correction, the last place we were at must have been 16. Where we're at now is 17. Unfortunately, we can't fly the drone here. We really wanted to show you guys some incredible shots of the Julian Alps, but we'll try to do the best with some footage from the camera. Also, if you get car sick easily, this might not be the best drive for you. Right, Boo?
Yep, I do not get car sick easily.
All right, we found another viewpoint. Whoa. Holy cow. What do you think, babe?
Pretty specky.
You gonna do that? Walk up there?
Yeah, let's do it. Walk up, roll down.
Oh my god. We made it to the top of the pass. This is definitely the best viewpoint, 100%. If you can find parking. It's a little challenging. We kind of had to like go down the hill and then turn around and come back up, and by then someone had left. So now we're just gonna enjoy the views for a little bit.
Yeah, looks like they have a little snack shop, maybe a restaurant that they're building that might be open.
Oh
I don't
yeah. Oh yeah. Let me turn around and show you. Right over there.
Doing.
Getting some stuff, some bitters, some hat pins, Slovenia patch.
Want them up.
And then these little hat pins, which are really cute. We don't buy a lot of souvenirs, but these are tiny and we'll drink this. Slovenia is so beautiful. I wish we had more time here. What you got there?
No PB&J. Save some money on the road here.
For groceries, since we've been on this road trip, and making sure to book an Airbnb with the kitchen so we can cook, and then we have more time for outdoor activities and more money for all the exciting things to come.
Sound of Music, starring Evan.
These views are just incredible. Every time I think they can't get better, they do. What do you think of Slovenia so far?
Oh, I love it. Probably one of my favourite places actually in the last, out of probably Croatia and Italy and places
Yeah.
lately. It's it's different to what I thought it was going to be. You really feel the Austrian-Hungarian
Influence.
influence, I guess. So it's bloody awesome. I love it.
Lemon?
I'd have to concur. Bloody awesome, mate. Bloody awesome.
He's a man of few words.
We made it back to Bled Lake. We're gonna walk around a little bit, catch a sunset a little bit. And what else we got going on?
We're gonna have a picnic as long as it doesn't rain. There's some dark clouds over here, but yeah, we got some Bled Cake and some cheeses and vegetables, and hopefully we're gonna make a little date night out of it.
Yeah, should be pretty fun.
Let's go walk.
All right.
We got time on our side.
Now enter the no fun zone.
No picnics, no drones, no swimming, no fun.
Every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
Alright, so we decided to finish off the day having a little picnic here at Lake Bled. We've had a lot of fun since we've been here.
We've done a lot of activities.
Yeah, who knew Slovenia was this beautiful? Really, really impressed. But we've got some snacks, some cheeses, some local wine, local beer, and what else did we get?
Well, to end the dinner, we have Palinko. Can't pronounce that, but it's a local like bitter liqueur we picked up at the pass today. So
Give it a
yeah,
try.
we'll give it a try a little bit later. Report back.
They say no picnics in the park, so I think we're breaking the
We're outside of the park area though, so we're good.
We're good. All right, shall we dig in?
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know.
All right, so one thing we had to try while we were here visiting Lake Bled in Slovenia is Bled Cake, which literally that's all that I know.
AKA Bled Cream Cake.
Bled cream cake. I don't know what, I mean, obviously it looks like vanilla, but I don't know any other information other than it's called Bled cream cake. So let's give it a try. Ooh, it's like a croissant on top. All right, try and get a little bit of everything. Okay. This is weird. It's like, oh my god, it's so good. Okay, this is like, I don't know how to explain it. It's very fluffy. There's no cake to it at all. It's almost like vanilla, like panna cotta. I don't know how to explain it. It's like spongy.
After 5 minutes of deciding, what did you come up with?
It tastes like Twinkie filling.
So we're gonna end our picnic here with a local liqueur we picked up at this pass. Bane Pelenkov. That's 30%, so 60 proof. It's got some Slovenian words on it, and then it says bitter.
So probably like an Amaro.
Probably like an Amaro. Singes the nostrils. Oh, it's like an amaro with like, it's got a different spice to it. It's probably whatever this plant on the cover is. Yeah, give it a try.
It smells like licorice or root beer. Ooh, this is tasty. I think it'd be really good like on the rocks with some lemon. It's definitely like super, super herbally. Kind of similar to Fernet. I don't know how to explain it, but you're right. There is some kind of weird, like, different herbal flavor. I don't know. I give this like an 8 out of a 10 as far as Amaros go. It's pretty tasty.
Yeah, I liked it a lot.
Tradition behind since 1976. Cheers. Ooh. Ha. All right, on that note, we're going to end the video here. We've had such a great time in Lake Bled. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate every watch, every comment. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, ding the bell so you get notified when we post a new video. And we'll see you in Ljubljana tomorrow. The end.
The end.
We've been doing a lot more grocery shopping since we've started this road trip so that we can, and cooking like, blah, blah, blah. We've been doing a lot more shopping